Live on YouTube, folks. Working all week, trying to make some money. Can't do it. Trying to work for the man ain't working. All you got to do is be in GLBS. Dang, 120 now, guys. That's why I'm late. Look at this thing spiking right here. On GLBS, we got at $1. Rebought here at $1.04 is $1.20, and they're taking it right now in the Mojo room at $19.20. I can't believe what we have done today. The biggest day in Mojo history ever for a single stock. So I hope you guys are watching. Oh my gosh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. It is going to be something on the fly amazing, guys. Amazing. Amazing. People copying my stuff. People shorting the wrong thing, doing everybody's all over the place out there. I copied my website exactly. One of my streams isn't running. Let me just check. Then we'll start the action on Friday, TGIF 11/3, and we'll get into the action. Whatever. Unable to connect to Facebook? You suck. So let me show you what happened today. DCIX. We bought the stock yesterday and traded it at 2. Sold it up in the after hours at 3. Can't believe it went like the 4. Then traded it again this morning at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Can you believe this? Look at this, folks. This is the pick today in the Mojo room. Here on 11/3, 2017. Right there. This was a buy here. 2. Yesterday. Right there. This is from the yesterday. Traded it again right here. Through 4. Went right there. And then it stayed up right here the entire time. And that's how we traded it. It's the biggest in Mojo history. The biggest. I don't like the way I wrote that. The biggest in, besides, there's one other stock. The reason why I was able to play this, and I did it through Heinz 11, 12, 13, and 14, stopped at 15, did one more after that. Because there's one stock called A, Q, X, P, and P, B, M, D, which I taught my students last night in Mojo University. This pick and this play. Here's in the Mojo chat room. Right here, the biggest move in Mojo University right there. Similar to AQXP. Let me show you AQXP. Trade play I did on that one. So AQXP started out like this. Was the move right here on AQXP. I bought it right here, the same thing. You can see how it's shot up to 11 right here from $2. Then I traded it from 11. I woke up that next morning just like I did today. I got it at 11, traded it through Heinz 12 right there beautifully. Then traded it through Heinz 18, and then it jumped up 21 points to 32, and then it jumped up to 45 points to $55 a share. So it went from right here, from 11 to 55. That's a move on AQXP that I was able to hit. We just traded Sino, S-I-N-O, made a move to 328. We have Sino, S-I-N-O. We have Bitcoin investment, bought the other day right down here at $740 a share. It's $985 a share. So even if you bought 100 shares, you made a fortune. Look at Top Ships, 79 now. Top Ships, 80 cents. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. Top Ships is up 81%, folks. What a crazy day in the Mojo room. Craziest day for the markets. Dow Jones is at a new record high, S&P is at a new record high, and the comp's at a new record high. And every stock is flying crazy. Got a little other Bitcoin right here, also up at a new high right here. Could break right through this 8 cents and really get some go mojo over 11. Once it touches 11, could go to 20 cents. A similar move as an MGNA that just happened right here as it went through this mark and caught some big juice and is right now up at 9 cents on MGNA. Let me put Top Ships up here. Crazy. Top Ships won't stop either. Have these in the swing. These are swing picks for MOJO Day Trading. That guy's. So the two picks are dry ships, EGLE, Eagle Bulk Shipping, only one that hasn't done anything. Only one. Diana Shipping and Container Ships, DSX and DCIX. DSX hasn't done anything, Diana Shipping, but DCIX did. And it's up 613%. The other one we have is PANL, called Pangaea Logistics. And you could see right here, it's already making a move as well. The other one we have is CGI. Right here. Go, boys. That's how it works. It was my shipping week. You were in the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter. You got this newsletter on Sunday. Right here, 10/29. It came out on Sunday. I told you exactly how to pick them. And you have Westport Fuel Systems, U.S. Auto Parts, BioKey, NXTD. Here they are. Eagle Bulk Shipping, Globus Marine, GLBS, 96 cents. Diana Shipping right there. Pangaea Logistics right there. All of them. Told you. It was a shippers week. Picked them all on Sunday. I knew all the shippers would follow. Why? Because dry ships had a great start of it last week, and it led all the shippers out to sea last week on Friday. That's why. See it? 11.2. Made a big move here too. So it was trading big, making big moves. See? Went to 5.59 last week. Top Ships 90 cents. Here it goes. May go to $1. They're pushing it. May go to $1. I wouldn't be surprised at all. I have it at 90. No, I have GLBS. I had that. I had at 90 and 89 now. It's going to go to $1. I like trading live. Cheers, everyone who's watching. Let me show you in the Mojo room. You guys are listening, right? I got this new guy right here. Check it out. This is where you listen to me live on the chat. I got this guy, Trader Aldi Chirata. See him? Hopefully, I told him to watch me on YouTube. So right here, you click your user settings. Got to make sure right here your speakers are set to the right thing. So if you click here, user settings, right there, you go down to voice and video. Right here. So you open up your user settings and you go to voice and video and you make sure your output device is set on the right speakers. And then you should be able to hear my voice if you are connected in the chat, and you are. The reason why you have a microphone next to your name is so you can't speak. You don't need to speak. Here goes tops, 95. 97. I'm making a fortune. Yeah, boy. Nice pick for you. Again there, Mr. YouTubes. 97 for you. There you go. Owned 89. Just picked it for you. There it goes. 99. Here it goes. $1. Perfect, boys. Perfect. Who picks them better than me? Sell right now, a little summy sum right here. Sell it. Sell it, boys. Look at that go, huh? Look at that go. Man, do I know how to pick them, huh? Damn, boys. Damn, dude, do I know how to pick them. Sweet is right. There's $1. Sold $1. Sold $3. Sold, baby. Like champions. Mojo's the best. GLBS sold 24. GLBS just sold 24. Hope everyone's watching this. Hope everyone's watching this, guys. And if you're not, you should be watching it at some point, because this will show you the right way to day trade. Going long the best stocks that can be. Now, there are a lot of people out there that are notorious for shorting, and those people are out of business. One of them, I just got a newsletter, an email from them, and they tricked me. It says, "I'm sorry, I'm shutting down my business." This is what he says. He says, "I'm sorry, I'm shutting down. In case you not have heard, we're dead, but not for good, because I'm going to teach a class." And he set up the web page exactly like my freaking class, dude. Keeping tops above $1.05. Right there. Got also. Let's go over to Twitter. And let's do a search. I sold right there. That's it. GLBS, we're right here. We're done. Save a little bit for 11 if it dares to touch, but otherwise it's done, guys. On that, and GLBS, the same thing. Let me just poke around and see if there's some news that traded on that. On tops. Shareholder alert. That's about that. And next, people filing lawsuits on that. That's why that's going up right there. I can't figure that out, but whatever. And then you have a GLBS was coming out with earnings. What does Maritime balance sheet tell us about the future right here? Which is on the 20th. So right there. There's a good article. Let's tweet that. Done. So GLBS, there's a lot of them. I have all these other ones. Pangelium, and like I said, there's a bunch of them. DSX. So let's see what people are doing about Diana container ships. How much money if I held this position? Everyone's doing that at $1.54. He had 10,000 shares. It would be worth $200,000. He would have made pretty good. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. But it's better than the people that's shorting. He had 10,000. Jeez. Should have held somebody. Financial freedom. Then this guy headed towards 7. I think a lot higher. Kyle, right here, paper traded for $181. And this guy, dear geniuses who think I blew up my account, I'm short 2,000 at 240 and 10,000 PDYF. Do the math. So let's do the math. Because I saw this yesterday. After he posted this, it shot to 340 in the after hours. Okay? Join A and shorting. There you go. These guys shorted right here. Stock gapping up to $1. No news and volume for a short opportunity. I'd like to see it get past 450 and then short it. So everyone's shorting it. And he's saying right now, I didn't short it. When did you cover? He didn't cover. He didn't. Because he's trying to say, look how many shares I had of my other one at 360. So he's short 360. YDS 10,000. And right here, so we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Short at 360, it's $3. So this guy right here, he's short 10,000 at 360, so he's made $6,000. I'm doing the math. So let's see what he's short. 2,000 DCIX at 240. It's 1940. He's down 17 points and $34,000. So he's negative 28,000 is how I do the math. That's how I see the math. And this guy right here runs his own day trade room. Notorious shorter. Isn't the first time. Isn't the first time. You want to see what they do? Let me show you what they do. Because I've been doing this for a long, long time. Look. Remember PBMD? Look. So PBMD right here. And I'm in PBMD right here. And it's 215. 213, 212, and the shit busts to 248 on 6.4 million. So this is where everyone, just like this, you're going to short it now. Okay? So you're going to short it now. And then you short it, and it goes 267, 320, 417, 603, and you're down $174,000 with PMD. I'm trying to force myself to cover before the close, ready to attack it again tomorrow. This is my first real stubborn hold in a while. Laugh out loud. Size isn't too crazily. Luckily, give me a break, dude. You lost $174,000. Pretty laughing out loud. You know how long it takes you to make that back? If it ain't putting you out of the game, and these guys are out of the game. Look, 20-year-old trading savant, and he rocked it. Target 180 next week. See? DCIX, 400% upside from 250 to 13. Yeah, you didn't do that shit. That pick from me. Because I'm down here, dude. Look at all these guys are new. Let's go down right here. Here's Mike, $5. There you go. Where are you guys long? You're up here. Where'd he say? From 250? Bullshit. You would have posted it earlier. There you go. Short DCIX. If you delete, we must retweet. I saw them delete Everyone was deleting their short tweets, man. This guy too, Timothy Sykes, he's a notorious shorter too. He shorted it too, so all his great picks. Oh, Tim got in an accident. Nice. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. It's not him. He's a notorious shorter. See who else shorted it. Oh, these guys sold it and then see, they shorted it. No, they bought it and then sold it. Good job. They bought. Another money day for me. I bet all of them just deleted it. They deleted it. There was a bunch of them before. There was a bunch of them before. I'm way down here, dude. Look at all these people. I'm way down here. Look at me. When I started posting it. Right here, $8.90, $5, $4 right here. See? This is why Mojo doesn't short and we go long. See it at 8.26 this morning? This was our pick. Why we don't short it, this guy did, holding positions overnight. Expect it to be right here. This is what the other rooms are trading. Just wanted to bring it to your attention. So yesterday right here, I'm talking all about it. Here's my Bitcoin move. PYDS popping. Maybe that's why he shorted PYDS and he shorted DCIX because I was long both of them. Maybe he's in my room going against me. Ain't good. Here's NCTY. Did really good on that one. Tesla. Hive. Groupon leading brands. Jack. Tesla. Icon. We just did it last week. I showed you the newsletter. Look at LeBron, dude. He's all drunk. Dancing it. He can dunk, but he can't freaking dance, man. Look at him. Crazy. Look at him dance. With the balloons attached to him. Crazy. This is funny. Look at this. The dog and the other holding as a pumpkin.
Thank you. That's great. Thank
So funny.
you guys.
Adorable. Want to see some adorable stuff?
That is so.
Yeah, there's two adorable ones down there sleeping.
Thank you guys.
Sam, Major, and Remy. I get my new dog in a week or two. Oh, what else? Yeah, Diana Container Ships really bought some people. For surprise. What we're at right now. Pops $1.12, came right down, great sell. Diana Container Ships came all the way down. RSLS we sold this morning at 92. Great job, guys, getting out of that. Great job. Jamira went up beautiful again 3 days in a row. JMEI. Zynga's poised to go. We traded this morning, ANTH. Sino great trade, went to 28. Zynga, 393 now, the same. GLBS, 122. Top Chips, 107. Great trading. UV is 93.94. Looking for that to go back through 15. Time is it? Only 2 o'clock. Pops is rocking. Mario Batasta retracted his message. YouTube. Good trading. I had on the watch list today. I've just been very busy. Good to be in the MOJO Day Trade room. You know, these guys that put these videos up, took them years of making money in the MOJO Day Trade room with me to do these videos, guys. I would seriously listen to these guys and put yourself in their shoes and come trade with the MOJO.
Hey, today I want to talk to you about my experience with MOJO Day Trading and the MOJO U training. I'm Pro Trader Ant. First, I want to introduce myself. I am located in Norway. I have no financial education or professional experience. I always had a fascination for trading and economics, and one day I got a Twitter message from Mike. Mike is the founder of MOJO Day Trading. Message was an invitation with a free pass to his room and the possibility to check out how it works. Man, was I hooked. I noticed the positivity in the room, both from Mike and the team members. Room has its own easy to understand lingo. Remember, I could not distinguish a candle chart from a candlelight. Besides the friendly tone in the room, I came to quickly learn that there was no need to learn all the technicality, charts and whatnot. That suited me just perfectly. So after a day of visit, I signed up for a monthly subscription, to which I have now changed to an annual subscription. So you can basically say that I'm here to stay. After a few weeks, Mike scheduled a class for his MOJO U, to which I signed up and took. At first I was a bit worried about being able to take it with a 6-hour difference, but due to it being so interesting and enlightening, it was not hard at all. The MOJO U was a real eye-opener, where Mike took us through the lingo used in the room and all the trade plays, how to buy and sell shares, how to collect our earnings. I do not wish to reveal much, but I can highly recommend the class, and I have already signed up to retake it again. The room is very friendly, as I said, and it's a very nice place to be, but it's also very entertaining and informative. The formula to being successful is really simple. Buy when Mike says so and sell when Mike says so, and that's equal to money in your pocket. I have never ever seen any front running in the room. I have seen several folds on the stocks, good folds you might say, where we would have lost a lot of money if we didn't fold. So we do not only learn to trade, but we also learn when not to trade. We even get to watch his screen and watch him doing his trade alongside ours. And if we fall off the path, he is reining us back in as the good coach and mentor he is. He takes his mentoring role very serious and have saved many from doing bad mistakes. For that, we are all truly thankful. So come on by, check out the room, sign up and take MOJO U and start making some money with us. Thank you, Mike, for your passion and patience with us traders. See you all in the room and keep it profitable.
That's my Ant right there. That's real deal. He's from Norway, guys. 6-hour difference. He put the time in to make it happen. Then we got Pro Trader Alan right here. Been with me for 5 years since I started. Pro Trader Gerardo as well. All three of these guys have been in the room, and the activity has led them to be moderators. Level LE. levels right here, so you could check out the leaderboard. MOJO Day Trading has a leaderboard, and when you post in the chat area, you get called XP points, and they're picked random between 15 and 25 points, and every time you do a post, it adds up, and you become on this leaderboard. And at the end of the month, like this last month, I'm going to reset this right now. This is who won this month. Top 10 is right here. So I don't get anything really because I'm a moderator. He is a moderator, and he's a moderator. So let's see who's not. He gets something, he gets something. And Ramey is like, he's number 1, he's number 2, and he's number 3. The real number 1 is Gerardo, and he is a moderator. So, and Alan is a moderator too. So we are the most active in the room, is us 3. And then we have the true actives, Ramey, Maine, Trader Maine. I'm going to send you a Spinner, and Saywin. A lot of hookup right there. Got some good things happening with me and Alan too. Oh, this was a different, oh, I guess, oh, you got reset. That's why, and you had to come back up the leaderboard. All right, so I'm going to save this. I'm going to reset. Boom. There we go. No one to display. So there we go. We're off to the races with something new. All right, tops real strong. Got out of those stocks before into that run. This stock's gone up 5 days in a row. DXCM, see it? Came up out of this base. This is what's safe here in this market now, guys. Stocks that are just all in these long bases that are going to come out right now. That's what's strong. Like these. See, in this long base coming back out. This one's got a base more. But look, dry ships did it. It was longing based. Diana container ships did it. Long based. EGLE. Eagle bulk shipping is now moving. My other stock, 459 EGLE. See it? And then PANL and the other ones will move too with it. Yep. INFIs like the setup. Okay. INFI at 257. Cool. I'll pass. It's in a no buy zone. Dry ship 77 new high. Look, they're taking dry ships back to $5. Amazing, huh? Shitting amazing. Get UV going on a little run. I got a bunch of that. I like to see the market sell. I don't know what's going to happen this weekend. The market seems to be eating up the fear. Every time something happens, the futures go higher. Worst thing in New York history again. What's going to happen this weekend? How many people are planning a freaking big attack? Look, Tesla, all you got to do is buy something that goes down and you make money. Tesla's up $5. Look, down, right back. That's all you do. It's unbelievable. The market is killing people here. Snap attack. It's snapping them. Look, up and down, up and down, up and down. Snap attack. Top ship, sick move today. I mean, this is incredible. Incredible. Diana container ships is incredible. Was incredible. Look, I'm at Whole Foods getting my lunch, Heinzing it through 11. Look. Trade won't even let some people buy DCIX. See that? I shorted it once for $1. Right here. So I go to lunch. 250 to 950. So I go to lunch. Okay. Sino has the big buyer come in. That's how I knew Sino was going to move. And Sino started to move. And then DCIX right there through 10. So we traded it through 10. Sold 14, 19, 29, and 39. Still have 600. And then here, this is your car when you think you're not really short, when you are, and you don't make a lot of money and you're faking it. This was the car. So I went long here at lunch. See it? 40 through 11, 12, and 13. UV's 97. DCIX is 1364. And here's the car. You have a Miata with a Ferrari thing on it. It's like, oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Give me a break. That was the car. Okay, so it was going to 14. And then we got 14 out of it. Then we got 15 out of it. And this is the inside of the Ferrari right here. When you think you got a Ferrari. And it's a Toyota Miata. So we got 15 in the fun house. It was the short call. And then it went back up. Right there, long 15. Very similar. I told you to AQXP at 1558. Stock would go higher on auto closes. Going to go to 20, yes. And here it is at 16. Here it is. We traded through 17. I bought UVXY right here. 615,000 at 1488 is now, well, it was 97. And then up 600% on that. Here's 19 on DCIX, 1945. And that's the end of it right there. And then Sino started to run for us, 303, 315, 319, sold, very good. Now we're caught up for the day. How'd you guys do today? Show me some money if you don't mind. How'd you do? You had a very good day. Or a very bad day, one of the two. Good or not? $288. Thank you. 230 for Eric. Add that up. Now we're at 1,000, 1,500. There you go. The way we do it. Ooh, Alex. Big day. Puts us to 10,000. 10,200. Hey, my man Mar, we're at 13,000. That. Say 11.3. That's profits. We do. Tough, boys. Very nice. Good job, Pierre. Solid. Bought it at 8, sold it at 12. Imagine if you had a couple of hundred of them, huh? You're welcome. You rail grind it really good. How'd you learn how to stay in it that long, dude? How'd you learn how to stay in it and you sold it at 09? How'd you know how to do that? From me? Really? What, you're in MOJO? Oh, yeah, you graduated MOJO University. What, your rail grind? Did? Feels good, doesn't it? Yep. You can do it again and again and again. I hope you journaled the rail grind and the feeling very well. You'll do it again and again and again. No problem with that. Pretty much it. There was some other stocks that people threw at me today, but I didn't. We traded Teva originally. It's moving right now, $11.71. That one's moving. We traded this one earlier. Good one. See, all you got to do is buy the shitty beaten up ones. Look, that's it. Come right back the next day. Imagine if you were in a stock that got beaten up and it came back so much for you the next day. Could you imagine? Not you. It's because you don't have it. GIVO. My GIVO's moving. Look. V-band spiking on my daily. I got GIVO. The swing. GIVO. Got it right here. 68. GIVO going to $1. Stock always runs up like that. See that? Look at it. 70, 71. And a Ripsky. Dude, what happened to UV? It was 97. It was just dropped back down again. Look at that. It was about to go 98. And she drops back down. Well, what you gonna do? Top ships came all the way back down from 132. Those were some sick runs. Same thing with GLB and dry ships and DC. People getting a little relief. If you're short at 250, you're only down 13 points right now. Times 2,000, that's 26,000. Doesn't offset it, but it relieves it. 72 on GIVO. We got a little rocket fuel. What this company does. It's like Jets is going by. U.S. Global Jets. Gas. App's moving. Bitcoin's the same. It's up nicely. Here goes GIVO 73, 74. Moves up a little more. My boy's home? Oh yeah, that's great. I'll be back in 10 seconds. done in a couple minutes. All right, go take care of what you need to, my man. He's home from school. Netflix. What was that? NFL. Netflix. Yeah, $200 a share. That's going up higher. That won't stop. Netflix for sure. Mark over 200. You've alerted me, man. What time is it? 2:30. I think everything's tired out. All the big money that's wrong covered, took their break. We'll be moving on. So, did you fix your speakers? You hear me now? Hear me now? Trader Ella Detrata. What's up, Remy? Hope you do. NXTD's moving my swing pick right here. NXTD. NXTD 187. Here it goes. Look, making a move up into the 2. Sweet. All my stocks are moving. All my stocks are moving. DC, Dry Ship, Zynga, GLB, Tops, Gevo, NXTD. All of my stocks are moving. Pro Trader Mike signing off, everybody. Have an amazing weekend. Peace. Keep it profitable. Do your studying. Watch my videos. Subscribe to my channel. Go to my MOJO University. And I'll see you next week.